Alright guys, so we are here at Daytona for the truck road course race. So that should be kind of cool to see. Yeah. But it's raining.
Florida snow.
Florida snow, so that's making things interesting, but we have cool cars to look at. There we go. Alrighty, so yeah, got the Supras. So we got a Camry race car over there, so that's kind of cool. A lot of cool stuff there. Ooh, got a new Camry TRD. This looks pretty good. And we got the trucks, Toyota racing rigs. They're cool. Loud music, but cool. Alrighty, we'll see if we can see any more during the rain here. Oh, sure, might as well. Alright, I guess so. Raining, but we got all the haulers. Got the Kyle Busch one. Wow. Die-cast. Water drop on the lens, that's okay. Wow. He's got a lot of merch there. Then we got the Joe Gibbs trailer. Got quite a bit of merch there. Some 124s, looks good. Got the Stuart Haas guys. Oh yeah, Chase Briscoe's on there now, so that's cool. Oh yeah, how you like the new, where's the Todd go? Nope, Todd left or something. Oh yeah, Todd's over there. But they got the new camo shirt design, just looks really cool. Got all of the Penske guys. And of course the guy Harvey Hotta, which is also pretty cool. Special Daytona stuff. And then of course the new champion, Chase Elliott. Got all of his stuff there as well. Then we got the official Daytona hauler trailer. Daytona 500 stuff. Looks pretty good. Nice. And we got Chevrolet racing, so we got Richie Petty Motorsports. Oh, we got two Chevy haulers there. That's kind of cool. And three if you count the Junior and the other two Hendrick guys. There we go. All the Chevy merch. That looks really good. Eric Jones in the 43. Oh, Ross Chastain have stuff in here. That's cool. So I'm not gonna really look at too much. Kind of getting wet here. Well, cool stuff. So if the camera's a little bouncy just on the old phone here. Looks nice though. And we got some cool stuff over at the Chevy tent. Alrighty guys, so we got the Chevy booth on over here. We got the Bolt here in a very nice color, next to the very beautiful Hyper Blue Corvette, which looks awesome. Really nice there. Get the front end. Alright, looks good. And we got the Trailblazer here. Looks really nice. And then we got the Blazer RS in a very nice shade of blue. That's cool. We got that Chase Elliott car there too.
See Chevrolet.com for more details.
Alright guys, so we're in the dry and it's still kind of soupy outside there, so oh well. But luckily we got only a few food options, but luckily I don't think they're gonna need a whole lot of food. Windows open. Looks like it's gonna be kind of a sparse crowd for this one, so unfortunately. Nope, unfortunately not. See some of them, yeah. Yeah, so I've been looking for the 2021 Daytona 500 diecast, because usually they have those on sale, but all they have is the 2020s right now. So, anyways,
No Corvette up here.
and no Corvette to look at up here as well. Yeah, Papa John's used to be, might be down that way actually, but it used to be like right there. And then of course you have Four Rivers Barbecue.
I think that's only open to the big race.
Yeah, that's only open for the big events, but definitely, if you're here, worth a try, because that
They
stuff,
got over in the
that stuff's good.
across the street, they got the actual restaurant.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you can always try it out there. But if you're at a race, try it out there. That's good. Alrighty, guys. So here we go. We got Cafe 500. So let's see what we got. You can get yourself a hot dog, chips. Not much. Actually, with the name Cafe, I think they would serve coffee, but they actually don't have any coffee. So that's kind of a weird combo. But of course, you have Papa John's, which is still here, but it's closed. Just a bummer, but let's see, $9. So that is a personal pan pizza, which is really not a bad deal. You still get their wonderful garlic butter sauce, which is good as well.
Good deal.
Yeah, exactly.
They're big old fans.
Good night. That's a huge fan.
We work with too. They got the little spoilers. And
Wow.
wind whips.
That's amazing. That thing's cool. Alrighty. Keep staying moving though. So
I think we might get a whole road to ourselves.
honestly, yeah. Actually, there might be a whole section with this particular crowd set up so far. So yeah, yeah. We'll have our own section that we'll own. Alrighty, guys. So this is cool. We got airplanes, parachuters, and we just had the Blue Angels fly over on this giant screen here in the Advent Health injector. So we got people coming in, but that's cool. That's a cool screen setup. I like these things. Very nice. Cool. Alrighty, guys. So we are at our seats. Very nice seats. Right down here. There they are. So, anyways, we got to our seats, and let's switch the camera here. Well, maybe. Hold on. Here we go. And it's still raining, and there's nobody here. There's nobody here. Oh wait, there's somebody. Whoa! Hey, whoa! That's creepy. Yeah, there's wow. It's like we could have bought the entire stadium for pretty cheap here. So that's amazing. Yeah, I mean, hey, really great seat here. So we can see them as they go right off into the turn. We can see the majority of the road course from this spot too. And we also can see them coming around.
There's the portable lights too.
Yeah, exactly. So got that running. So yeah, pretty good seat. So
Thankfully, it's darker that way than it is that way.
yeah,
That's still pretty good.
yeah,
Looking back in
not bad. Yeah, like the spot. Looks good. Cool.
on Haley Deegan. Moving our way up into row 11, starting 22nd, driver number 51, Vertical Bridge Toyota Tundra from the great state of Texas, Parker Chase.
Nice.
Please welcome a round of applause for Brett Moffitt. Row 10 on the outside, the driver of the Sirius XM Toyota from Vittori Racing Enterprises picked up his first Truck Series win here on the Super Speedway 2 years ago. From Winston, Georgia, the driver of the 16, Austin Hill.
Oh yeah, cool.
His driver, please welcome Jason White.
Hello.
One spot ahead of him in position number 17. Driver of number 10, Chevrolet Silverado from Kansas City, Kansas.
I really
Please
can't
welcome
believe that we are
Joe Cobb.
like the only people here. This is crazy.
Is that?
It's like we are really the only people here. It's crazy. Oh, Jennifer Joe Cobb.
We
Okay,
go
cool.
on the outside.
Yeah.
The 2019
How many people
Menards
here? That's
Series
crazy.
champion, driving for Thor Sport Racing, the Toyota from Middletown, New York, number 98, Christian Eckes. In 2019 in the Xfinity Series full-time and Cup in 2020, returns to the Truck Series full-time in 2021 to race for a championship. Behind the wheel of the Mobil 1 Toyota, number 4 from Mooresville, North Carolina, John Hunter Nemechek.
Yeah.
see Shelby continuing their role as the Western transfer will hand off to Roadcourse here at Daytona. We're going to hold the pace laps before Shelby
Down the straightaway now toward the international horseshoe. He's given the lead back at least momentarily to Ben Rhodes. Rhodes now goes way high. To go in this race tonight.
Again, watch Tanner Gray in the white 15 getting tagged by Sam Mayer. Then you see Mayer's truck just completely dig into the wet grass. It has rained here in Daytona the last several days, so that is pretty muddy grass. And then Tanner Gray nosing it into the blue.
Out of turn 14, everybody waiting on Ben Rhodes to go into the Geico restart zone and drop the hammer. And here's
quite some time. Ben Rhodes is going to put that Toyota nose right against the wall at the start finish line and burn it down. Ben Rhodes, the winner here at Daytona. Oh yeah, still burning it down is Ben Rhodes. My oh my. We're going to hear from that.
You gotta see these really cool pace cars here. We got the pace truck. Got the Pace Camaro, which these are awesome paint schemes, by the way. And of course, the 500 pace car, so that was really cool. So, gonna be heading on out here through the gate. Then we gotta walk all the way to our parking and stuff. So, alright, Ted, so what did you think about that race?
It's good.
Yeah, I really like that whole setup with the NASCAR's being able to get that draft on the banks and stuff. That's just really cool to watch. So.
Well, I've seen them race on rain tires too.
Yeah, exactly. And even with those, you could still see the draft effect on the NASCAR turns, which is really cool. So.
Well, we've never seen a NASCAR road course.
Exactly. So that was really cool to be able to see for the first time. Yeah. So. The first official scheduled race, because the other one was was a swap. This one was officially scheduled once they figured out California wasn't going to do, so kind of cool. So also the first time the trucks raced in the rain, because they could race in the rain, but they've never done that before, which has been nice. So
and
a lot of history here
roads,
tonight.
Being able to do the last week and this week.
Yeah, that's also really cool. So
That's pretty cool.
and that's back-to-back wins since they switched from Ford to Toyota. So I mean that's kind of cool for Thor Sport as well. So
That's going to make you feel like they made a good choice.
yeah, John Hunter, he's going to be good this year because he's gotten quite a few stage points and he's finishing really good in the final race. So very cool. Yeah. Yeah.
It's cold.
It's cold because Cool Front came through. Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Cold.
Not as cold as Texas, but it is cold here.
Yeah, we
Cool
have
guys.
short sleeve too.
Yeah. Well, we're used to that, so. Alrighty.
Bye-bye.
So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.